told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Morning and welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday, our second day in Dubai, and we're just about to go and have breakfast, and yeah, then we have activities for the day. It's quite a busy day.
As I told you, I'm not a lot because this is my special stay in Dubai. So I'm just going to show you guys what I would want you to see.
So for now, we're heading over to breakfast.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and
Welcome to the Hilton Executive Room Tour at the Palm in Dubai. On your right at the entrance, that is the first bathroom. And there's a card here to welcome you to the room. Such a lovely, warm welcome. Next, we have a dining area with a view. And from this other angle, that is still the dining area. And there's a coffee area here. You guys can see you can make your coffee, have it from the dining area, and you know, you're just enjoying your stay. And just to mention, this room is so homely, so comfortable, and so spacious. And not forgetting to mention how big, how large the room is. And this hotel being new, it means everything in the room is new. So I loved the couch, and with the fact that it had a touch of blue, and blue being my favorite color, it definitely stood out for me. And we also wanted a room that we can easily access the view of Dubai. So look at that, look at the view. We don't even need to go outside, it's just right there, so definitely another reason why we chose the executive room. Okay, to the bedroom. Well, you all can see that bed. It's very comfortable, very cozy and luxurious. And also the working station. If you're carrying your computer and you need to work, there's a working desk for you in this room. And it's lovely. bathroom was simply next level. It was big, you know, my favorite colors right there. I love a white bathroom. They have a bath and they have a separate a separate toilet and a separate shower. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little room tour. I hope good morning. This was the next day, and as you can see, we were heading to the desert for the safari. I had never been to the Arabian desert before, so I was looking forward for the experience. And we arrived, we did an hour of quad biking, and after that we proceeded to the desert for the real safari. Well, this was the most exciting and thrilling experience for me. Driving through the dune bashing was simply breathtaking. I'm telling you guys, we explored the Arabian desert, and after like 45 minutes, we stopped at a very beautiful location where we had a magical view of sunset in the desert. And at this point, everybody was just enjoying, you know, everybody was taking pictures. I had so much fun. I'm telling you, I had so much fun. And as you can see, the sunset was very, very beautiful. And I just said to myself, this is such an experience. And for me, I think I would do it again. If I find myself in Dubai, I would definitely do it again. And so, can you? Okay, so we started driving back. At this point, we were heading back to the camp. We were heading to the camp where, you know, they provided us with dinner. There was camel riding for those who wanted to. There was entertainment. There was different types of entertainment. They had belly dances. They had some other guys dancing with fire. I don't know how they call that, but you guys will see in this video. And I can wrap it up by saying it was basically an awesome experience for me, and we really enjoyed. And I really thank God for such an experience. You know, I don't take things for granted. I really don't take things for granted. So guys, if you have watched this video to this far, I would like to say thank you. So thank you so much. Enjoy the video to the end. Enjoy the entertainment, and let me know what you think. Okay, let me know what you think. So until next time, see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Bye.